Our top-load washing machine has suffered a problem with the agitator, and this is what it's doing. I should not be able to turn this the opposite way. It only goes in one direction, but if I'm able to turn it back like this, that usually means that there's something broken inside there. Even with my limited knowledge, is able to make out that that's not normal. So to fix this, you just pop off the cap like that, and then you pull off the center cap in the middle like that. And inside you have what looks like a ring with all these gears on it. Those are called agitator dogs. And their sole purpose, like you can see them right in there. It's those little things that are popping out. Those are called agitator dogs, and what they do is they allow the agitator to go in one direction. So, like that. So when you're agitating your clothes, it goes like that. Like that. What happens is, over time, the little plastic teeth on the dogs themselves wear out. So you can see this one's catching, that one's catching, that one's catching, but that one isn't. So what happens is they jump. It's very easy to fix this. All you have to do is take out that center nut. This portion here comes off, and then you just replace the little dogs. There's 4 of them, one there, one there, one there, and one there. You replace those, put the thing back together, and your washing machine's fine. Now check that out. Using a ratchet with a long extension and a 7/16 attachment, you need to get down in there and get that on the bolt, and then obviously you want to loosen it. So now if your agitator spins around like this, you might want to use 2 hands and grab onto it just to get that nut to break free. So that's what I'm going to do. There we go. Okay, that's the bottom portion of the agitator. And this is the top half, and there's the nut. And yeah, all of that gunk in there is just old detergent, so it will have to be cleaned. But yeah. So we're going to tip this upside down, and we are going to replace those dogs. It's just a matter of flipping it like that, upside down. And those are the little dogs that I was talking about. And they just simply pop out, like they slip right out of their little holders, but you can see that they are worn down. The teeth are all worn out. Yeah. Alright, so I just came back from the hardware store. This is what they're called, dog agits. It was $10 for a bag of 4. And they fit most Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Kenmore, Roper, Estate washing machines. Like they're pretty much generic. To get the old ones out, you just bend them up and pop them out. Bend it up, pop it out, and keep going like that. And then there they are. Discard those, and then we replace them with the new ones. The side that has the rigid side like that, that's the side that you want facing up. So it goes in like that. And then you just push. Like that. Okay, next one. So remember, That rigid side has to be facing up like that. You don't want to put it in backwards like that, because that's not the way it goes in. It goes in like this. Then you just push as hard as you can, like that. Yeah, you can see right there. This is the old one that I'm holding. You can tell that all the teeth are gone, and the brand new one has brand new teeth on it. So, yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so now that we have our new pieces installed, we just put this part in upside down like that. Plunk it in there. Good. We throw the agitator back in. Okay. And make sure everything is lined up properly. And then we put our nut back in. Okay, I'm going to have to get a pair of tweezers or needle nose pliers to get that in there right. And now we just start tightening it. I'm going to have to put two hands on this and try to get it as tight as I can. But not too tight, but just enough that it's not going to undo itself. Next, what you want to do is get a little bit of synthetic grease, or you can use a little bit of Vaseline, and just grease the rubber gasket so that way water doesn't seep through there. But yeah, you just want to apply some grease just around here, all the way around, and then stick it back down in the hole. Okay, we got our grease on there. We're just going to put it back in. And then now, just put our cap back on. There, now I can do my wash and I don't have to listen to this thing grinding anymore. It doesn't sound like a cement mixer.